Hello, today we will discuss how to upload any document or folder in Google Drive. For this, firstly you have to log in into your Google Drive. So when you are logging your Gmail account, so by default it will log in Google Drive as well. So there is no need to log in it again. If you have not logged in Gmail, then you can open just try to search Google Drive on the Google and open that link and just give your username and password. So by default you will log in into Google Drive. Now here I have a login with my Gmail account. So here you can see this is my account, the Knowledge Adda, and when you click here you can see the 9 dot. You have to click on this 9 dot. Here you can see Drive. Just click on Drive. Okay, so interface of Google Drive will be open. Here you can see there are various images already available. So this is user interface. Here you can upload your any document. Okay, so what you have to do, just click on My Drive. So here you can see the image. Now click anywhere. Suppose just I am clicking here. So here you can see the option file upload, folder upload. Okay, here also by clicking on the new, you can see file upload, folder upload. So in this video we will discuss how to upload file and folder. So firstly, if you want to upload file, just click on the file. A pop-up will be open. Okay, in that pop-up you have to select the file which you have to upload. Okay, so just wait for a few seconds. So your pop-up will be open. So here you can select the file, whichever file you want to upload. Suppose I have selected this one, attendance MOM, and open. So after few time my file will be uploaded. So here you can see, now here you can see the file is already uploaded, attendance MOM. If you want to upload folder, just click on here, click on folder upload. Just one thing remember, folder upload only work with Google Chrome browser. If you are using any other browser except Google Chrome, this functionality will not support. So currently I am using Google Chrome, that's why it is supporting. So here from you can select the folder and upload, your folder will be uploaded. So basically this is process to upload file and folder in Google Drive. So thank you for watching this. Thank you.